Ever stared at your bank statement after a car repair and wondered if you bought a vehicle or adopted a money pit? Today's video cuts through the nonsense and delivers exactly what you need. The 10 most reliable used cars that won't bleed your wallet dry with maintenance costs. These aren't just random picks. Every car on this list has proven itself through thousands of miles and years of real ownership data. We're talking vehicles that just refuse to die, with maintenance costs that won't force you to choose between fixing your car and paying your mortgage. Let's count down the top 10 most dependable used cars that combine legendary reliability with maintenance costs that won't make you wince every time you visit your mechanic. When American cars get it right, they really get it right. The 2016 Buick Lacrosse scored an impressive 90 out of 100 reliability rating from Consumer Reports, making it a standout in domestic sedans. What makes this Buick special is its powertrain. Some models feature the legendary Buick 3800 engine, which mechanics have praised for decades for its bulletproof reliability and straightforward maintenance. You're looking at around $478 yearly for maintenance, substantially less than comparable luxury sedans. The Lacrosse delivers that smooth, comfortable American car feel with a spacious interior that's perfect for road trips. But unlike older American boats, it won't punish you at the repair shop. For buyers wanting to support domestic manufacturing without sacrificing reliability, the 2016 Lacrosse deserves your attention. The compact SUV market exploded for a reason. People want space and practicality without gas-guzzling bulk. The Toyota RAV4, especially the 2013 to 2018 generation, delivers exactly that with Toyota's legendary reliability baked in. The 2017 model year stands out with high reliability scores from both Consumer Reports and J.D. Power. With an annual maintenance cost averaging just $429, the RAV4 costs significantly less to maintain than most SUVs in its class. Over a decade, you're looking at around $6,000 in maintenance, beating most competitors by thousands. What owners consistently praise is the RAV4's perfect balance of utility and dependability. You get the higher driving position and cargo space of an SUV without the mechanical complexity that often leads to expensive repairs. Just watch out for excessive oil consumption in some mid-2000s models with the 2.4-liter engine, but the 2013 to 2018 generation largely solved these issues. Honda's answer to the RAV4 has carved out its own loyal following, and with good reason. The CR-V, particularly the 2012 to 2016 models, combines Honda's engineering prowess with surprising affordability in the shop. Annual maintenance averages around $407 according to RepairPal. Excellent for an SUV. Even over a 10-year period, maintenance costs remain under $7,700, which beats most rivals in the segment. The CR-V strikes an impressive balance between practical utility and dependable transportation. The cabin is intelligently designed with family use in mind, and the reliability means you'll spend more time driving and less time waiting at repair shops. One caution: avoid the 2015 to 2016 models with the 1.5-liter turbo engine due to potential oil dilution issues, and steer clear of the 2002 to 2004 models, which had some transmission concerns. Want to keep enjoying content like this? Hit that subscribe button now. We're just getting started with the most reliable used cars you can buy today. Think luxury means expensive maintenance? Think again. The Lexus ES, particularly the 2013 to 2018 models, delivers premium comfort with Toyota-level reliability underneath. The 2018 ES 350 stands out with exceptional reliability scores, while maintenance costs average around $551 annually, higher than non-luxury cars on our list. That's dramatically less than European luxury competitors that can easily exceed $1,000 yearly. Over a decade, expect about $5,945 in maintenance, which is outstanding for a luxury vehicle. What makes the ES special is how it delivers genuine luxury, the quiet cabin, smooth ride, and premium materials, without the financial penalties typically associated with luxury car ownership. Early 2000s models had dashboard melting issues in hot climates, but the 2013 to 2018 generation largely solved these problems. For the driver who wants luxury car status without luxury car repair bills, the Lexus ES makes a compelling case. The Honda Accord has been the default recommendation for a mid-size sedan for decades, and models from 2011, 2016, and 2017 show exactly why. With annual maintenance costs averaging just $400, well below the mid-size sedan average, the Accord combines affordable upkeep with refined driving dynamics. Over 10 years, expect about $5,836 in maintenance costs. What separates the Accord from competitors is its perfect balance of comfortable daily driving with just enough sportiness to keep things interesting. interesting. The cabin offers ample space for families, and the reliability means these cars regularly surpass 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. Early 2000 models had some transmission concerns, but by 2011, these issues were largely resolved. The 2016 to 2017 models represent the sweet spot of modern features with proven reliability. For the driver wanting one car that does everything well, the Accord remains hard to beat. Reliability doesn't have to mean boring. The Mazda III, especially the 2018 and 2020 model years, proves that driving enjoyment and dependability can coexist. Annual maintenance costs average around $433, competitive with other compact cars. Over 10 years, expect about $5,649 in maintenance, less than many rivals. What distinguishes the Mazda III is how it delivers a premium driving experience at a mainstream price point. The handling feels more German sports sedan than economy car. The interior materials outclass many luxury vehicles, and the reliability means you can enjoy those dynamics without constant shop visits. Some 2010 models experienced clutch failures, but these issues were resolved in later years. For the driver who refuses to sacrifice driving enjoyment for practicality, the Mazda III represents the ideal compromise. The Prius may be the butt of car enthusiast jokes, but your bank account will be laughing all the way to the bank. The 2010 to 2015 generation combines Toyota reliability with hybrid efficiency for unbeatable operating costs. Annual maintenance averages just $396, and the 10-year maintenance cost of approximately $4,380 is the lowest of any car on this list. The regenerative braking system means less wear on brake components, contributing to lower maintenance costs. Beyond the maintenance savings, the Prius delivers exceptional fuel economy, regularly exceeding 45 miles per gallon in real-world driving. While the hybrid battery replacement can be expensive, these batteries typically last well beyond 150,000 miles, and prices have decreased significantly in recent years. If your goal is pure transportation with minimal financial outlay, the data shows nothing beats a used Prius. If you're finding value in this countdown, take a second to hit subscribe. We're about to reveal the top 3 most reliable used cars that won't break the bank on maintenance. There's a reason you see so many Camrys with 200,000 plus miles still on the road. The 2012 to 2017 generation perfected Toyota's formula of bulletproof reliability and reasonable cost. Annual maintenance averages just $388, significantly below the midsize sedan average. Over 10 years, expect about $4,597 in maintenance costs, thousands less than many competitors. What makes the Camry special is its balance of comfort, space, and trouble-free ownership. It's not trying to be sporty or luxury. It focuses on being a supremely competent family sedan that won't leave you stranded or broke. The 2006 to 2011 models were known for potential oil consumption issues, but the 2012 to 2017 generation largely resolved these problems. For buyers who want one car to own for a decade or more, few options make more sense than a Camry. The Honda Civic, particularly the 2012 to 2015 models, exemplifies why this compact car has developed such a devoted following over decades. Annual maintenance costs average around $368, and the 10-year maintenance cost of approximately $5,639 beats most competitors in its class. What's remarkable is how the Civic achieves this reliability while delivering a driving experience that feels more substantial than its compact dimensions suggest. The Civic strikes an impressive balance between economy, practicality, and driving enjoyment. The cabin offers surprising space for a compact car, and the reliability means these vehicles regularly surpass 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. Some earlier generations had transmission concerns, but by the 2012 to 2015 models, these were largely addressed. For the driver seeking maximum value in a compact package, the Civic remains the benchmark. Was there ever any doubt what would top this list? The Toyota Corolla, particularly the 2014 to 2019 generation, represents the pinnacle of reliable, low-maintenance transportation. Annual maintenance costs average just $362, among the lowest of any car on the market. Over 10 years, expect about $4,444 in maintenance, thousands less than most competitors. This generation added modern features and improved driving dynamics without compromising the legendary reliability. What makes the Corolla special isn't any single standout feature. It's the complete absence of significant problems. While some drivers note jerky acceleration in certain models, major issues are exceedingly rare. The Corolla simply does its job year after year with minimal fuss or expense. For the buyer who views cars as appliances and wants the most reliable transportation with the lowest possible maintenance costs, the data is clear. Nothing beats a Toyota Corolla. Which of these reliable, low-maintenance used cars would you choose? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this practical look at sensible cars but now want something with a bit more muscle, check out my video about the most powerful truck engines on planet Earth, where we look at machines built not for saving money, but for raw, earth-shaking power. You'll be amazed at what these engineering marvels can do.